The fields in computer science and ICT are of great interest to him. Having him as a resource speaker in this year's Floro Crisologo lecture series, whose experience and background will highlight the field of information technology. He obtained his bachelor's degrees in computer engineering and computer science from the University of Utah in 2001. As a student, he already gained further knowledge and experiences in his field when he worked as an intern in software design engineer in test and as student consultant in a company that is well established and recognized in the world of computer technology, the Microsoft. He worked with faculty to help integrate Microsoft technology into appropriate curriculum, organized events, and presented talks to promote student interest in Microsoft technology. While studying, he also worked as teaching assistant in his university, leading classroom discussions and answering student questions for introductory computer science and digital design classes. He was also a student leader, once being the chairperson of their organization, the Computer Science Undergraduate Student Advisory Committee. Immediately after finishing his undergraduate degrees, he started his teaching career in his university as instructor in computer courses such as Introduction to Java and C++. He pursued his postgraduate studies and completed a PhD in computer science, still at the University of Utah, in 2007. As a graduate student, he worked in the Myers Research Group led by his dissertation advisor and mentor, Professor Chris J. Myers. There, he helped in the development of a framework and tools to allow efficient verification of analog and mixed signal system. In May 2007, he came and lived here in the Philippines, particularly in Vigan City, Ilocos Sur, as a Peace Corps volunteer while teaching information technology and English in our beloved university, the University of Northern Philippines. Here, he was welcomed wholeheartedly and was loved by his colleagues in the university and was admired by his students because of his expertise in the field of ICT, and most of all, because of his humility and kindness. For 2 years, he considered Vigan and UNP his home. He went back to the U.S. in August 2009 and continued his teaching career as assistant professor in Virginia State University's Department of Mathematics and Computer Science. He has also accomplished several published works that also appeared in different conferences in ICT, including his research dissertation entitled Verification of Analog and Mixed Signal Circuits Using Symbolic Methods, published in 2007 and appeared in the 12th Asia and South Pacific Design Automation Conference, also in 2007. His other publications, most integrated in analog circuit verification, were also presented in international conferences in ICT, such as International Conference in Computer-Aided Design in 2006 and International Symposium on Automated Technology for Verification and Analysis in 2004. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to have him as one of our resource speakers in the Floro Crisologo lecture series, our former colleague and friend, Dr. David C. Walter.